So make sure, students, you attend your classes, your registers are up to mark. If you don't do it, your internal marks, the teachers cannot do anything. I haven't received anyone's registers of chapter 2 till now. Not even one student. What is the reason behind it? What is the reason behind it? So I'm just going to write it and send you today that what all you have to write for chapter number 2. Make sure your registers, they reach me. So should I start with the capital subscription stage once again, or is it clear with all the students?
Ma'am, can you repeat what you just said now?
I just asked the students, is capital subscription stage clear with the students, or should I go with it once again? You remember, you all have a test of chapter number 2. Please start preparing it. Should I go with capital subscription stage or no?
मैम एक बार हल्का सा बता दो आप।
Okay, except for Mohit, who else? Except
Ma'am,
for...
me, please.
Ma'am, me.
Okay, so when I have majority of the students, then I will go up with it. No problem. So, talking about it, for the formation of a company, we had 3 stages. So when we talked about 3 stages, we had... Can someone name the 3 stages for me? Can someone name the 3 stages for me, please? Mohit, what are the 3 stages? Am I audible? What happened? Yes, I'm in the meeting. Mohit, am I audible? Yes, Naman?
यस मैम।
Which are the 3 stages? अब तो मैं इतनी बार रिपीट कर चुकी हूँ अब तक, तो आई थिंक यू शुड हैव learned it by heart. It is the promotion stage. Formation of company के लिए there are 3 stages: promotion stage, incorporation stage, and the capital subscription stage. This should... It's obviously lengthy and little... I won't say difficult. It is little difficult to learn actually, but it's not actually difficult. Once you have learned the 3 stages, it becomes very easy. Promotion stage and the incorporation stage has to be undertaken by all the 2 companies, that is private companies as well as the public companies, whereas the capital subscription stage has to be undertaken only by the public limited companies who want to issue their shares to in the market. Now, should I start with promotion stage? Be quick, everyone. Promotion stage relates with the promoter. Word से ही clear हो रहा है. It's a person who has conceived the idea. जिसके दिमाग में idea आया है कि that I want to open up this work or this manufacturing unit or any type of business which he has planned. He has identified the business plan. So once he has identified the plan, he has to obviously study the feasibility factors. Feasibility factors, whether this is going to be a viable project or not. The cost, profitability, he has to study various factors like the technical factors, the financial factors, the economic factors. Raw material kahan se aane wala hai, from where is the machinery going to come. He's going to study various factors. Once he has studied the factors, now there is the next stage which talks about the name approval, which can be even online. I referred to this term, which is reserve unique name. Run. So once you have got your name of the company, which should not match or it should not be similar to any existing company in India, then you have to give three names in priority, three preferences of the names of the companies. And in case your first preference matches with any of the existing company, the registrar does not approve that name. Then comes to the second, then to the third one. And then in case it matches, it can even come back, the application can even come back to you. But in case it does not, the registrar approves the name of the company. But only condition is it shall not be identical, it shall not be similar to any name of the company which is already in existence. कंपनी का नाम अप्रूव हो गया, feasibility factors स्टडी हो गए. Now he has to decide the various signatories to the documents. Now remember which are the two documents. Now it is the MOA and the Articles of Association. Who are going to be the people who are going to sign the MOA here? The main people, that is the main directors. कौन होने वाले हैं? Who are going? Directors means the subscribers. Subscribers of what? To the qualifying shares of the company. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
अब मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया कि इट इज गोइंग टू बी याशिका, इशिका, मोहित, नैतिक. दे आर गोइंग टू बी द डायरेक्टर्स ऑफ द कंपनी. नाउ दे हैव टू गिव अ declaration. Then declaration, how it goes? I, Naitik, are you there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I, Naitik, your age. Okay. You might be 14, 15, right? So I, Naitik, you guys, it is not, minors are not allowed, but then also I'm writing. I, Naitik, let's put it 25 then. I, Naitik, 25 years of age. Then it comes the address. Have agreed to be the first subscriber or the first directors of the company. So their written consent has been taken by the promoter. And they have agreed, and we have agreed to buy the shares of the company. और ऐसे जितने डायरेक्टर्स फाइनल हुए हैं उतने का रिटन डिक्लेरेशन हमने ले लिया है. नाउ व्हेन दीज हैज बीन finalized, obviously then it is the professionals who are going to prepare these documents. वहां पे ये declaration actually जाएगा. पहले हमने सिर्फ नाम डिसाइड किए थे. This declaration goes onto the memorandum of association, which will be prepared by professionals. Professionals are the brokers, the underwriters, the bankers, the solicitors who are going to prepare all this. Now when the essential documents have been prepared, I think मैं 2-3 बार करा चुकी हूँ. अब you should not face any problem in the formation of the company. When necessary documents or the essential documents have been prepared, ये सारे documents मिलाकर कहाँ जाते हैं? रजिस्ट्रार के ऑफिस में सबमिट कर दिए जाते हैं. मेमोरेंडम ऑफ एसोसिएशन, आपके आर्टिकल्स ऑफ एसोसिएशन, आप ऑब्जेक्टिव्स मेमोरेंडम ऑफ एसोसिएशन में यू नो ऑल कि व्हाट इज टू बी, व्हाट इज रिटन. नेम क्लॉज है, रजिस्टर्ड क्लॉज है, कैपिटल क्लॉज है, सब्सक्रिप्शन क्लॉज है, लाइबिलिटी क्लॉज है, वो सब क्लॉजेस मेमोरेंडम ऑफ एसोसिएशन में आ गए. नाउ यू आर गोइंग टू सबमिट ऑल दीज डॉक्यूमेंट. आपकी कंपनी का जो नाम अप्रूव हुआ है, एमओए की कॉपी, आर्टिकल्स ऑफ एसोसिएशन की कॉपी, डायरेक्टर्स के नाम की कॉपी, देन यू हैव द रिटन कंसेंट ऑफ ऑल द डायरेक्टर्स, देन आपका रजिस्टर्ड ऑफिस कहाँ होना चाहिए, उसका registered office ka address, and the prescribed fees of the registrar has to be submitted with the registrar. Then payment of the fees, and then the registrar scrutinizes the entire information which has been submitted by you, and then in case your documents are authentic, true, no misappropriation of facts, he gives the certificate of incorporation. Not, please don't confuse it with commencement of business. That's a different certificate. Here you get only a certificate of incorporation. And what is the effect of certificate of incorporation? What is the effect of certificate of incorporation? that the company comes into existence only the date which is written on the certificate. Maybe डिपार्टमेंट से गलती हो जाए, इट इज अ बैक डेट, और मे बी कोई फ्यूचर डेट है, उसी दिन कंपनी विल कम टू एग्जिस्टेंस द डेट विच इज रिटन ऑन द certificate of incorporation. So any dealings which are done by the promoter or any other person before the company gets incorporated becomes void. Clear? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone? Any? So this is almost always a sure question of 5 marks, 6 marks. 5 marks is the long answers you have. This is always a sure answer. You never know, you have your half yearlies in the school, the way they are opening up all the states. So it's time to get serious now. It's almost been 1 year and 4 months. Now they're opening up everything, students. Now,
मैम ये क्या लिखा है, void लिखा है?
क्या लिखा है?
वो void लिखा था, क्या लिखा था कि
Yes,
मतलब
void लिखा,
existence में
void.
आने से पहले?
हाँ हाँ हाँ, void लिखा था. void का मतलब होता है कि which is not legal, which never comes into existence, जिसकी जो existence में आ ही नहीं सकता. It's a void contract. Okay, let me give you an example. If I say a contract has been signed by 2 minors, is it a valid contract?
No, ma'am.
It's a void contract. It is an opposite of valid. Valid का opposite होता है void. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So moving to the अब capital certificate of incorporation हाथ में आ गया हमारे. Private companies can start their work. So now it is the time that we have to think of कि हम we want to issue shares in the power to the public. We have to undergo the third and the last stage, that is called the capital subscription stage. After the certificate incorporation, as I said, the private companies, they have been incorporated, they can always start their business. But a public limited company has to undergo the third stage. Now, first thing, in the capital subscription stage, they have to take the approval of SEBI, which stands for Securities Exchange Board of India. First thing to be remembered, it is a statutory body. When I say statutory body, please remember that means it has been enacted. It doesn't work under any department. कोई ministry नहीं है सेबी की. जैसे आप रेलवे सुनते हो, आप डिफेंस सुनते हो. Do you listen? There is a railway minister, there is a defense minister. Do you listen that? But here it is an independent body. एक जैसे आरबीआई है. आरबीआई कोई मिनिस्टर है? कुछ नहीं है. कोई डिपार्टमेंट है? कोई मिनिस्ट्री है? नो. It is also a statutory body. Statutory body means a special law has been created for that. एक लॉ बनता है, वो पार्लियामेंट पास करती है, then that body comes into existence. So it is an independent body. It works independently without any interference from the government departments. Clear?
Yes.
Is it clear what is a statutory body?
Yes,
An
ma'am.
independent law has been created for the formation of SEBI. Now, what is the job of SEBI? What are the powers of SEBI? Now, it protect the interest of the shareholders. आप इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो, हम शेयर होल्डर्स हैं. कल कंपनी जाकर something wrong it does, that it doesn't pay us appropriate dividend, और हमें शेयर सर्टिफिकेट टाइम पर इशू नहीं किया और हमसे पैसे ले लिए, शेयर सर्टिफिकेट आया ही नहीं. दे फ्रॉम स्क्रैच, from 1 to 100, there are number of problems a shareholder can face. But what is the solution a shareholder has? There must be someone. अगर एक शेयर होल्डर को अगर 5 शेयर लेने के बाद he has to just go into the high courts and supreme courts for the cases, it will take all his life. He will have to spend a lot of money on the litigation. So a body was created that was called SEBI to protect the interest of those people who invest in the company, who are called the shareholders of the company. So what happens? So before this SEBI gives approval कि आप अपने shares market में issue कर सकते हो, उससे पहले you have to submit all the relevant documents, all the documents which you already possess, आपके हाथ में already आ चुके हैं, आपको SEBI को देने हैं. SEBI फिर उसको scrutinize करती है and then it issues you the permission that you can issue your shares in the market. So you have to follow, you have to consider all the guidelines which have been issued by SEBI. अगर SEBI लगता है that there is appropriate disclosure of information नहीं है, तो SEBI आपकी withstand मतलब hold भी कर सकती है, आपकी permission को रोक भी सकती है. But let's consider it, SEBI का approval आ गया. So what you have to write, कि what type of a body is there, what type of body is SEBI, what it does, it protects the interest of investors, and then all the information has to be provided और यहाँ से हमें permission मिल गई. ठीक है? Now the company, जब हमें permission मिल गई है कि we can issue shares in the market, we prepare our prospectus. Prospectus, as I referred, I have already given you the PPT, students. Prospectus, MOA, articles of association, सब PPT में जितना लिखा हुआ है, you can consider it as your notes. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now here the companies have prepared their prospectus. And prospectus जो हम पढ़ चुके हैं कि prospectus में सारी information लिखी होनी चाहिए, because as it was written in which case? Anybody went through that Canada Railways case, that जितनी information company के पास है, it should give all the material facts in the prospectus. It should not hide anything from the public. So हो सकता है कि what information is there in the prospectus उसके basis पे शायद मैं shares नहीं लेती. So it is very important that not even one information should be hidden from the public. It's a very important document. So SEBI says all the vital information has to be given in the prospectus. अभी जब बन गया हमारा, तो इसके बनाने के लिए after we have prepared it, it has to be deposited with the registrar. Obviously, check तो वो करेंगे ही कि आपने सब कुछ यहाँ लिखा है कि नहीं. Then we are going to appoint the professionals. हमें कौन चाहिए? हमें brokers चाहिए. क्यों? क्योंकि वो हमारे shares market में, they're going to sell the shares in the market. So the brokers are appointed. Then we have underwriters who also help the company in selling the shares of the company. But if the shares are not sold, they give an underwriting कि अगर नहीं बिकेंगे तो we will buy the shares. Yes or no? Clear till now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, next stage is the minimum subscription stage. Minimum subscription stage says that it is made obligatory on the companies ताकि आपने अपने memorandum of association में अपनी एक authorized capital दी है कि मुझे इतनी capital की ज़रूरत है. अगर आपके पास उतनी capital, आपकी paid up capital, सारी authorized तो use नहीं करने वाले हो, मगर आपके जो paid up capital है, at least that you need for starting of your business. अगर आपके पास उतने फंड्स आते ही नहीं, मान लो आपने शेयर्स इशू कर दिए, बट आपके पास फंड्स नहीं आते. इज एवरीवन गेटिंग क्लियर? मोहित, डोंट आंसर. अदर्स, कैन आई हैव अ रिप्लाई? नैतिक?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, question arises, आपने shares issue कर दिए. For what time you're going to issue the shares? Is it going to be a year span or 2 year span? No. You will not wait for the funds for such a long period. You want the funds immediately. So there shall be no shortage of funds for you to start the business. So a condition of minimum subscription has been kept. Till the time a public limited company does not receive minimum subscription, it cannot issue shares in the market. So जब आप prospectus supposedly, let's say आपने prospectus issue किया. When you issue the prospectus within a span of 120 days, within a span of 120 days, that means almost a period of 4 months. 4 महीने के अंदर अंदर आपके पास 90% एप्लीकेशंस आ जानी चाहिए 120 डेज के अंदर. Supposedly, let's take an example. If the company plans कि मैं 10,000 issue करने हैं shares. I want to issue 10,000 shares, 10,000 shares in the market. Now each share is of 10 rupees. Now it means आपके पास 9,000 shares के लिए applications आ जानी चाहिए before you actually allot the shares. I'm just saying applications आ जानी चाहिए. So if the companies, they receive 90% applications, that means it has fulfilled minimum subscription stage. और अगर 90% applications नहीं आती हैं, आपके 90% shares खरीदने वाले लोग ready नहीं हैं, that is what it means. That means then you cannot issue the shares. आपका सब काम मिट्टी में मिल गया. So there it comes to an end again. So this is called that it is very difficult stage. If you're not able to fulfill any of the conditions at any of the stages, it can come to an end. You'll have to restart again. Again, आप अप्रूवल लोगे कि नहीं हम दोबारा से prospectus issue करेंगे, हम दोबारा से minimum subscription stage follow करने की कोशिश करेंगे. But yes, let's take it. They have got 90% applications here. 9,000 shares के लिए we've got the applications within 4 months. और अगर नहीं आती हैं तो आपके पास जितनी एप्लीकेशंस आई हैं उसके साथ एप्लीकेशन अमाउंट आई है, यू हैव टू रिटर्न बैक टू द एप्लीकेंट्स. इज इट क्लियर टिल नाउ?
Yes, ma'am.
एनीवन? मिनिमम सब्सक्रिप्शन आ गई, 90% एप्लीकेशंस आ गई, दैट मीन्स हमारे 9,000 शेयर्स खरीदने के लिए लो पीपल आर ऑलरेडी ready. There we have the applicants. Now it is the time we are reaching more closer to the commencement of business, stock exchange. Now we want to get our company listed on the stock exchange. So we have to get the permission from the stock exchange. That again, we have to submit all the documents, whatever we have. We have to show that we have got the minimum subscription stage. सी जब भी आप किसी अथॉरिटी के पास परमिशन लेने जा रहे हो, उससे पहले आपके पास जो जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स है उसका सबकी कॉपीज जा रही हैं उस डिपार्टमेंट को. सो इफ यू आर गोइंग टू द स्टॉक एक्सचेंज एप्लीकेशन, यू आर सबमिटिंग एन एप्लीकेशन टू द स्टॉक एक्सचेंज, यू हैव टू गिव अ और लास्ट स्टेज कि आपकी ये फुलफिलमेंट हो चुकी है. वी हैव गॉट मिनिमम सब्सक्रिप्शन, वी हैव गॉट द अप्रूवल फ्रॉम सेबी एंड ऑल द प्रायर डॉक्यूमेंट्स एज वेल. सो आपकी स्टॉक एक्सचेंज सारी again it has to be satisfied that all your requirements have been fulfilled. So if the stock exchange gives permission, your company gets listed on the stock exchange. But अगर stock exchange को यहाँ कुछ discrepancies लगती हैं या ऐसा लगता है कि some fraudulent activities have taken place or there is misappropriation of funds, कुछ किया है इन्होंने, गलत गड़बड़ की है, तो stock exchange can always cancel the permission as well. Now here, whatever application amount they have received, remember students, whatever application amount they have received in the capital subscription stage, they have maintained that separate account here. ताकि वो application amount सिर्फ इसी account में आएगी. क्योंकि अगर 90% applications नहीं आती, it becomes easy to return the amount. ताकि वो company तब तक उसको utilize ना करे उस amount. Right? So
Yes,
अगर
ma'am.
स्टॉक एक्सचेंज परमिशन नहीं देती, एप्लीकेंट्स का मनी इस अकाउंट में से निकाल कर एप्लीकेंट्स को वापस दे दिया जाता है. क्लियर? सेबी की परमिशन मिल गई, प्रॉस्पेक्टस इशू हो गया, मिनिमम सब्सक्रिप्शन स्टेज हैज बीन फुलफिल्ड. नाउ even we have got the permission from stock exchange. What is the next step? Let's allot the shares now. Now what do we have to do? The next document is we have to file. How do you file returns? Income tax returns. So here you are not returning anything. It's a document that is called return of allotment. It is a document which is giving details to whom? To actually the registrar. Details to the registrar of what? The entire names and addresses of all the shareholders. मैं कुछ यहाँ वापस नहीं कर रही हूँ, सिर्फ remember it is a document which contains details regarding the names and addresses of all the shareholders. और हमें ये बताना पड़ेगा that how many shares have been taken by each person. So it goes like this: name, number of shares. You can check it online, students. ये ऐसे ही है वहाँ पे. Number of shares का one second. So it goes like this: the name column, the age column, then it goes the address column, then it goes the number of shares this person. This is, we are filing it with the registrar of companies. Okay, Mohit has taken this. Krishna has taken this. Krishna, are you there in the class? Krishna? Samrit, it is, let's take it, Anushka. So their address, age goes, and they have taken, किसी ने 5 लिए, किसी ने 10, it can be 50, it can be 50. So registrar के पास सारी information चली गई, कितने शेयर होल्डर्स हैं, कितने कितने शेयर्स उन्होंने खरीदे हैं, खरीदने के लिए एप्लीकेशन दी है. Right? Right, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, we have got everything now finished. Now we have to submit all the documents here to the registrar. That is, directors के हमारे पास declaration है, who have agreed to be the first directors of the company, who have agreed to buy the shares of the company, that is the qualifying shares of the company. Minimum subscription stage has been followed. तो रजिस्ट्रार क्या करता है, आपके सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स को स्क्रूटनाइज, सिंपल वर्ड्स यू हैव टू राइट, इट्स जस्ट वेरीफाइंग ऑल द डॉक्यूमेंट्स एंड डिक्लेरेशंस whether they are true. And जब once he is satisfied with the authenticity, with the that no material fact has been hidden, or all the material facts have been disclosed to the best of the ability or to the knowledge of the companies, then he gives up permission for the commencement of business. और यहाँ पे जो पब्लिक लिमिटेड कंपनीज को सर्टिफिकेट मिलता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड commencement of business. And again here, whatever date is written on the certificate, that is very, very important. Or once this commencement of business certificate is given, that means all the essential features जो हमने पढ़े हैं कंपनी के, that will start. उस दिन से कंपनी will have perpetual succession. उस दिन से कंपनी will have limited liability. उससे पहले तो कंपनी never came into existence. Separate legal entity. अब जितने भी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स कंपनी साइन करेगी वो बाइंडिंग होंगे. उससे पहले तो कंपनी नेवर केम इनटू एग्जिस्टेंस, सो इट वाज वॉइड. हाँ जी. सो नाउ द कंपनीज आर रेडी टू स्टार्ट देयर businesses. Both the private has started long time before. Now the public can start. Now tell me who has problem here. Anyone? जब तक खुद पढ़ोगे नहीं students, I believe that nobody can understand, because if someone is interested, you can just read about 24/7 area. 24/7 area. That is the concept which our brain follows. When you listen to a thing, how much you can remember. This is a scientific proven fact. The maximum you can learn is your self-reading. अगर तो आप उसको साथ ही पढ़ लोगे आज, then you will remember it. अगर you will put a long gap in between, it becomes difficult. One second, students. Athar, is the class over? Can you bring my phone? I need it urgently. Okay, from tomorrow, students, please remember that we are going to start with the back exercises and the test follows in this week. Please start preparing. Now, I request everyone, can you see the screen? I haven't taken the attendance today. Please stay back. Make a list of private limited companies in India. You must have, this goes into your register activity, you must have 10 companies, names of 10 companies, and you need to have public limited companies list, 10 companies again in your register. Am I clear with everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Other than this, after this is the first activity. जब आपने ये कर लिया, then please the second activity starts. You have to write a note on the powers of SEBI. Third, you have to make a list. You have to literally see the stock exchange, जो आपका TV पे channel है, the news channel. You have it, which just flashes the stock exchange the entire day. You have to make a list of 10 companies which are listed on the stock exchange. Rhythm is never. I think अमरत्या में है rhythm या आपकी class में? He's in your class, I think.
Rhythm Srivastava,
Yeah.
हमारी class.
So you have to be, these 3 activities you have jotted down, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now when you do this stock exchange, everyone remember, आप जब सिर्फ यहाँ पे जो स्टॉक एक्सचेंज पे कंपनीज लोगे, आप सिर्फ प्रेफर टेकिंग ओनली इंडियन कंपनीज. डोंट टेक द नेम्स ऑफ फॉरेन कंपनीज हियर, क्योंकि जब हम जीटीआर आईडीआर पढ़ेंगे या एडीआर पढ़ेंगे, देयर विल बी टेकिंग ग्लोबल कंपनीज. I want you to take the names of only Indian companies here. Now, other than this, what goes into your register, which has already, you have to make a note on your study of Rajat Gupta, and one is Harshad Mehta. So when you do Harshad Mehta, when you do Rajat Gupta, you can do with insider trading. And when you do with Harshad Mehta, and then you can do with what changes were brought in the act of SEBI after Harshad Mehta's case.
Ma'am,
हाँ जी.
Ma'am, can you post this list-wise in the group as well so that it will be easier for us to make notes properly?
Okay, I'll do that. Wait a second then. Let me just. It's there actually, students. It's there in the plan of action as well. Anyways, I'll do it. No problem. But by evening, but if I don't do it, it is even there in the plan of action. Now, even one thing more, I want you, everyone, make a business plan, everyone. Please make a different business plan. You have to tell me which form did you choose. ऑलरेडी हम डिस्कशन कर चुके हैं इस पे. डिड यू चूज, क्योंकि हमने इतनी सारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस पढ़ी हैं. डिड यू चूज एंड व्हाई. आपके पास फीचर्स हैं, मेरिट्स हैं, डीमेरिट्स हैं. आप उसके बेसिस पे एंड आपको एक स्टेज उसकी कंप्लीट करनी है, दैट इज द प्रमोशन स्टेज. दैट इज आपको फीजिबिलिटी स्टडी के फैक्टर्स बनाने हैं कि आपने अगर अपने लिए कुछ बिजनेस सोचते हो. सी स्टूडेंट्स, इट कैन बी इवन सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप. फॉर दैट ऑल्सो you can have to study these factors. So, जरूरी नहीं है प्राइवेट के लिए. कोई भी बिजनेस आप स्टार्ट करते हो, आपको फीजिबिलिटी फैक्टर्स तो स्टडी करने ही पड़ेंगे कि वायबल प्रोजेक्ट है कि नहीं. So make a list of feasibility factors, the technical, economic and financial. You can just divide into 3 parts. मगर वो सिर्फ आपके बिजनेस प्लान के साथ रिलेटेड होने चाहिए. अगर आप शूज सोच रहे हो या टिम्बर सोच रहे हो या कुछ और सोच रहे हो, इट कैन बी बेवरेजेस, इट कैन बी इवन चिप्स और एनीथिंग समथिंग लाइक दैट, और इट कैन बी इनटू क्लोथिंग सेक्टर. तो इट हैज टू बी इन रेलेवेंस टू योर project which you have planned. इसके अलावा whatever I have told you till now, that is frauds of cooperative society, उसका note होना चाहिए. I have asked you comparative study on the types of partners. That all has to be in the register, which has to be submitted by the end of this week before your test, everyone. इससे ज़्यादा time why should I give? I think I'm very liberal teacher. Yes or no? Now stay back for 1 second, Billet. Anything else? Anyone?
No, ma'am.
Does anyone know how to read the stock exchange market? Anyone here? Rhythm ko aata hai. Rhythm knows that. He told me. Okay. So see you tomorrow, everyone. Please have your this Poonam Gandhi ready with you, or you can have it on your phone as well, howsoever you're studying. But it is better now to have your books in hand. So Devansh can leave, Ishika can leave, Krishna can leave, Manan can leave. You are all prepared tomorrow that you have to answer the questions in the class tomorrow. Mohit, Naman, Nandana, Netik, you can leave. Who asked me? Naman, कल हम इसी चैप्टर की बैक एक्सरसाइजेस कर रहे हैं. दैट इज द हॉट्स एंड द मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस व्हिच आर गिवन एट द बैक. So we're going to discuss it, but if obviously the answers are written there, but I want you people to answer it before without seeing into the book. Right? So that is will be considered our final revision of the chapter, final completion of the chapter. So if you do your HOTS, you're more clear with the chapter. So 5 minutes I can give for choice of form of business, but already the class has discussed. I don't think I don't need to do it again. But if you people say I'll do it again. Okay, what is the date today? 2nd of August. Okay, everyone. Thank you so much. Have a good day ahead. हाँ जी बोलिए. हाँ जी
Ma'am,
आशिका.
the test will be in the form of like MCQs or like long, short, everything.
Yash, come again, Yashika. I couldn't get you. In which test? Second chapter test?
Yes, ma'am.
Second chapter is going to be MCQs, but there is going to be a unit test of yours. Half of the class is left now, but there is going to be a unit test of your class after we finish third chapter, and third chapter will take only 6 to 7 days. It's not a very lengthy chapter. और उसमें से भी CBSE has omitted half of the things. So on 21st or 22nd, 22nd is Sunday, I think. By 21st, I'm planning to, the school has planned for a UT1 for you. For 3 chapters it will be. तो अपनी
Okay.
तैयारी रखो. चलो, ठीक है. For that you will have all type of questions like small, long, very short, whatever is the pattern. Right, everyone? So have a good day ahead. Bye-bye. Bye, everyone.
Thank you.